10 keto foods you should always have in your fridge. Hello everyone. If you're on the keto diet, then you know that it can be a little tricky to always have the right foods on hand. That's why we're going to show you 10 keto-friendly foods that you should always have in your fridge. So whether you're just starting out or you've been doing keto for a while, make sure to watch this video so you can stock your fridge with the right foods. Don't miss out on our next update. Subscribe and get your hands on the latest stories before the rest. What's better than a diet that helps you lose weight and feel great? A keto mindset, of course. When the going gets tough on this plan, as it inevitably will for many people who embark upon their journey, having sufficient supplies in your fridge can make all the difference between successful completion or failure. So before giving in to temptation at dinner time tomorrow night, try setting aside some shelf space with these essentials. Eggs. At number 10, we have eggs. Eggs are an affordable source of protein and fat. While salmon can be an expensive food to eat multiple times a week when following keto, eggs are on the opposite end of the spectrum. They are versatile and can be incorporated into a keto diet plan in numerous ways. Look out for some classic recipes such as egg cups, quiche, egg salad, frittata, or a standalone hard-boiled egg. Eggs are a healthy keto food as they are good sources of selenium, choline, phosphorus, and vitamin B12. Fruits. At number 9, let's talk about the fruits. So most naturally sweet fruits are off limits. But fruits like raspberries have very low natural sugar content, and raspberries are a good source of fiber. Alternatively, you can keep blackberries, strawberries, or blueberries, so stock your freezer with these frozen berries. Other low-carb fruits include plums, peaches, cantaloupe, and clementine oranges. Lemons. Next, we have number 8, and that is lemons. Having a few lemons around can definitely help elevate any dish you prepare. Also, you can add some flavor to your water or your tea. Salmon. Coming to number 7, and that is salmon. So whether it's wild or farm-raised, salmon is rich in fat, which makes it an important staple in a ketogenic diet. Wild salmon is especially high in omega-3 fatty acids, and they're both low in saturated fat. Other notable highlights include the fact that salmon is rich in protein and a good source of vitamin B12, potassium, iron, and vitamin D. You can easily prepare a hearty meal with salmon. Chopped veggies. Next, at number 6, we have chopped vegetables. So it's important to include mainly anti-inflammation foods when keto dieting. Vegetables are key. Vegetables with 1 to 4 grams of carbs per serving, like spinach, celery, lettuce, arugula, Swiss chard, asparagus, mushrooms, radishes, cucumbers, eggplant, tomatoes, kale, and peppers are good to have in hand. Avocados. At number 5, let's talk about avocados. So avocados have a prominent place in the keto diet. They're rich in monounsaturated fats and contain a host of vitamins and minerals, such as potassium, to help keep your eyes healthy with their lutein and zeaxanthin content. Half an avocado contains 1 gram of net carb. Avocados can be mixed into smoothies, sliced on top of a salad, or mashed into guacamole. Meat. Next, we come to number 4, and that is meat. So high saturated fat bacon is the poster child for the keto diet. A better bet is lean beef, as it contains potentially beneficial CLAs or conjugated linoleic acids and is lower in saturated fats. Equally delicious is lamb. Look for grass-fed lamb. However, both of these meats are high in protein, so smaller amounts may be needed to meet keto protein restrictions. Condiments. At number 3, let's talk about the condiments in your fridge. So you should toss out sugary condiments like ketchup and barbecue sauce and swap in probiotic-rich options. As you know, consuming probiotics on a keto diet is especially important because it can improve conditions associated with the diet, including constipation and decreased variety of the friendly gut bacteria. So load up your fridge with fermented foods like miso, kimchi, refrigerated sauerkraut, sour pickles, and soft cheeses like the creme fraiche, marzipan, and fromage blanc. Cauliflower. Coming to the second placed item on our list, and that is cauliflower. So, cauliflower should make its way into your refrigerator every week because it's tasty, nutritious, and versatile. If you're new to the low-carb scene, you'll want to experiment with cauliflower. It can be mashed in place of potatoes or blended into cauliflower rice. It can also be used as a snack or mixed with almond meal and made into a pizza crust. It is high in dietary fiber, B vitamins, phytonutrients, and more neutral in flavor than broccoli. Snacks. At number 1, we have snacks. When the hunger pang is set in, you may just need something to munch on. Most keto dieters face issues during these times. Keep snacks like mini pepperonis, cheese slices, or bacon strips in your fridge so you can have a quick meal. Well, there you have it. 10 keto-friendly foods that you should always have in your fridge. Be sure to let us know which ones are your favorite in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips on keto, be sure to check out our other keto videos.